Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm a UK Stampin' Up demonstrator, and today is our Stamp Around UK blog hop, and the theme for July is texture. So what I've got here, I've not actually stuck it all down yet, is a card that's been embossed, and I've used 3 different colours of purple using the brushes, the blending brushes. Then I've used the dies from the Quiet Meadow, it's called the Meadow dies, and that is also part of a bundle if you want to purchase it with a die set of the Quiet Meadow. Then I have a little tag which is from the dies, and then I've heat embossed Thinking of You from the stamp set. So I've used lots of different textures on here, and I thought it would be a good idea to show all 3 textures between the embossing, the die cutting and the heat embossing. Right, let's get started then. Now this cardstock I'm using is the shimmer paper we've got. So it's got a flecks of, I don't know whether you can see that or not, it's got little flecks of sparkle in it. Now I don't know how much you're going to be seeing once I've done the colouring and the embossing, but we will see. So my first colour I'm going to use is Fresh Freesia. Then we have Highland Heather, and then Gorgeous Grape. So it's like pinky purples. Right. So this is the effect that I'm trying to achieve. I'm just going to give that a bit of a rub. Right, let's get started. So we've got the Fresh Freesia. So I'm just tapping on my ink pad, and then I'm going to come off to the side and start swirling and then come in. And that way you shouldn't get harsh lines. Again, I'm going to tap off on this side. I'm just gradually building the colour up. So I'm trying to create an ombre effect with the purples. Right, I'll try do a little bit more, and then that'll be for this colour. So I'm just trying to not make it too harsh. Right, I think that's it. So that is Fresh Freesia done. Now we're going to go with the Highland Heather. So I've just got this little scrap of sheet. It's a bit mucky, but just so I can clean off any excess that I don't want. Right, and then we can start with the Highland Heather. I'm just starting with a little bit of colour there. I'm just going over the fresh freesia to help blend it in. And going further down. Nice pretty colour there, so we'll go to our final purple, which is gorgeous grape. It's quite a subtle change in colours. Just one more pass, I think. And that will do. So there we are. Beautiful graduation. Now, if it catches a light, you can just see the actual shimmer in the paper as well. Right, so that's all the ink in I want to do. The next thing I want to do is the embossing. So I'm going to get my cut and emboss machine. And for this particular embossing folder I'm going to be using, it's going to be a one plate, and then so this is the embossing folder that I'm going to be using. There we go. I'm going to pop that in. And then let's pop it through. Oh, put it the wrong way around. Oh dear, I put it the wrong way around. Never mind. There we go. And that is your effect. I'm just trying to see if you can see the actual little shimmer in it, but I don't know whether you can or not. So I'll just pop that away. Sorry for the bangs. So this is the card we've got now, and then what I've done earlier is I've die cut these flowers and the leaves from the meadow dies, which I really like these. I really like the effect on the card with the purple and the green. So then the final part is to do the little tag. So I've just heat embossed that, and the Thinking of You is from the die set. So this is the die set, the Quiet Meadow, and then these are the dies. Oops. So there's lots of different silhouette dies, and then that's the tag that I've used. Right, so let me just put this card together. I'm going to put it on some Whisper White, or Basic White even. I just may need to cut this down a little bit. Yep, just need to trim that a little bit. I'm going to trim that with my cutter. I'm just going to trim a little bit off the bottom. Oops. And then we can put the card together. So I could have the light or the dark at the top. I'm not, I might go with the light at the top. And then let's get some glue. Because it's embossed, you can hear the deboss side. Oh, put that the way around. So we're going to put the light at the top and dark at the bottom. Just press it down. Then I just need to arrange my flowers. Move that out of the way. Try not to get ink on the back of my card. I'll just turn that over. Right. I'm just going to position, put a bit of glue on some of the leaves. Not a lot. I don't want it to seep out. So in the description below, there'll be links to all the other people that have joined this blog for July. So please click on the other links and see what the other people in our team have been doing, because I'm sure they'll have been very creative. Oh, I've dropped my leaf, my flower. Luckily it dropped to the other side and not glue side down. I'm just going to stick it down. There we go. So yes, as I was saying, we go and have a look at the other projects that the team's made with the theme of texture. You can stick the flowers across the leaves, that's fine. And then the final thing I want to do is use my dimensionals just to raise up the sentiment. We can hide all the bits, and there we go. So that is my card with the theme of texture. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.